I've been waiting and anticipating, do you even know what I really wanna do to you? Contemplating and relating, bodies associated. Ooh, falling and falling to you, 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 falling and falling to you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I did a hair video, but I am back. And today is wash day. I had my braids in for like a month. But before then, I had a silk press, and when I had my silk press for like 2 weeks, I was like, this would be a good time for me to do some knotless box braids. So I did that, and I kept them in for like a month, I believe, a little over a month or whatever. And it is now time for me to wash my hair. Today, the main thing I want to show you today is how I wash my hair with this black soap bar that I got from Cosmetx. This is gonna be my first time using a black soap bar on my hair. I've used black soap shampoo before, and I loved it. It's great for clarifying your hair, getting it extra clean, especially after you've had a protective styling for a while. So stay tuned, keep watching. And the first step I'm gonna do is deep condition my hair. That's gonna be the first step. So I'm gonna show you this. So the deep conditioner that I'm using today is made by Raw Sugar. It's the healing powder. You've seen it in another video that I did when I first got these products. And it has avocado, banana oil, coconut milk, and agave. And it's a hair mask. I have a pretty good amount left. You probably can't see it, but I have a pretty good amount left from the last time I used it. So I'm gonna do this, let it set for like 40 minutes or so because I got some stuff that I gotta do. And after that, I'm gonna come back and start washing my hair with this because it's the main thing I want to show you. Watch my videos for a while. You know that I always put my hair into 4 parts so I can wash my hair in sections. Ooh. My 4 sections. Now I am about to apply my hair mask. Hopefully I don't run out. If I run out, I'm just gonna have to find something else to put on my hair, because I think this is the only deep conditioner I have right now. I have to look at my stash. I'm gonna let this sit for 40 minutes to an hour. Okay, so I let that sit for a little over an hour. My hair is reverting back pretty good. So I'm about to wash this out and come back, and then I'm gonna use my black soap. I washed all that out. My curls are popping. They look good. Okay. So I'm going to now use my black soap bar that I purchased from Raw Cosmetics. It came in the self-care kit that I got. See, I'm gonna see it's lathering already. Oh, that's nice lather. Make sure you massage it into your scalp. A little definitely goes a long way. Wow. And it only took a little bit from what y'all saw. I rubbed it only a few times and voila. Look at my curls. Okay, so I've got that massaged in pretty well. Make sure you get your scalp, clean your scalp. And now I am going to move on to the next section of my hair. I might just use this. My hand's so soapy, y'all. And I barely used it. I didn't even have to wet the soap. So that's great. It's crazy how a little bit of soap made all of this. Black soap for the win. And the slip is pretty good. I'm not getting too many tangles. Well, my hair was already detangled anyway, but still. Well, I'm getting a few. Not many though. Look at that curl definition. Oh yeah, and another tip, before you use any product, just in general, make sure you test it on your skin first. I suggest like on the back of your hand to make sure you don't break out or have any type of skin allergies. That's just a little tip, because I do it sometimes. Because I know I have. So I'm all done with all 4 sections. And now I am going to just go wash this out and see how popping my curls be once I'm done washing this out. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. My hair is so clean and I love it. So another thing to remember is when you use any type of clearing fine shampoo, make sure you back it up with a really good conditioner. So the conditioner that I'm going to use is made by Raw Sugar. I used it once before. This is the Bounce Back conditioner. It has mango butter, agave, and carrot oil. These products by Raw Sugar are pretty good. I did a whole entire review on them, so you should go check that out. Also, they make good products for when you take a shower. So, body wash, they have a really good body wash. I love it. This is some really good stuff. It's plant-based, so it's really good for your hair. And another thing, if there are some new products out that you want me to try, well, new affordable products that you wanted me to try, let me know down below. And what I mean by affordable is each item is $10 or less. I don't buy expensive products because I don't have time. Because I'm going to be mad if I spend all my money on something and it doesn't work that well. But something a little bit cheaper, I'm a little bit more graceful. So drop them products down below that you might want me to try. So I'm just going to get through putting this in. And I'm going to wash it out and everything. Of course. I do not have my hair clamped. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish my wash day routine by adding in some good conditioner, because the whole point of this video really was show you me washing my hair with the black soap as promised, because I did say that I was gonna do that. So I'm just gonna finish everything up here, and later on I'm also gonna come back with another video of how I style my hair, thinking about doing a braid out, and I'm gonna use my favorite products that I absolutely love, and I'm gonna show you those as well. You'll see when I do it. But anywho, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. I'm glad y'all stopped by. I'm just gonna finish this up and stay tuned for my next video. Okay, so this is how my hair looks without me styling it, and this is at the end of my wash day routine when my hair is dry. Not completely, but I did dry it off. I washed the conditioner out, dried it off, gave it a good shake, and this is what I end up with. I like it, and usually my hair I don't like my hair that much right after wash day unless I style it. And this is how it looks without me doing anything to it. So black soap is definitely a win, and definitely gonna do it again.